So if you're trying to turn off auto rotate in WhatsApp video call, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, make sure that your application WhatsApp is updated because at times when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. Head over to your Play Store or App Store. At the top search bar, type in WhatsApp Messenger. If you see update, immediately tap on update and update your app. Now, next thing you want to try is head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here also you have to search for WhatsApp, tap on permissions, make sure everything is allowed like your camera, location, microphone, photos and videos. Here access storage, clear the cache, come back, tap on force stop and then OK. Now lastly you have to restart your device, launch your WhatsApp and this shall fix your problem. Also make sure that your phone is not on auto rotate. So expand the drop down menu and make sure this is on portrait. Just like so guys, this is how you can fix the problem.